How to add more field in ConvertKit easily. First of all, log in to your ConvertKit account and go to the Grow tab. Then click on Subscribers. After that, select any subscriber and click Add a new field from the right side panel. Here, you can create a custom field like phone number, company name, or anything you'd like to collect from your audience. Next, go to Landing Pages and Forms under the Grow tab. Choose the form where you want to add this new field and open it in the editor. Now click on the Form area, and from the side menu, select Plus Custom Field. Then choose the new field you just created, for example, phone number. It will instantly appear in your form. You can also adjust the placeholder text or make the field optional or required based on your needs. Once you're done, click Save to apply your changes. So, this is how to add more field in ConvertKit. Like and subscribe if this helped.